About 5 years ago, I was exploring after moving to New Zealand, and I drove past the Puhoi River. It really looked like fun, and there were some boats on it at the time, and yeah, you always have these good intentions and plans, and things don't always work out. So the river's about an hour and 20 minutes, maybe a little bit more from my house, and I just decided it's time to do it. So we've got the Canadian canoe, and I gave Trevor and Michelle a call, and with the 3 boats we paddled to Puhoi. You leave from a place called Wenderholm, which is a regional park. The place was packed, and we just paddled upriver. We paddled with the tide. It was crystal clear water, really nice, and we got to Puhoi. Puhoi is famous for the cheese factory. The cheese factory is not in the town, but about 4 kilometers, just 3-4 kilometers other side of the town. There's not much in the town. There's a hotel, there's an American shop, and there's some fish and chip shops. What's interesting in the American shop is that the lady that owns it buys jewellery and other things from the Navajo and the Hopi, and she's got some really nice jewellery from both of the tribes, and it's all genuine stuff. It's really nice, but there's not much else to do there. So you paddle, you get out, have fish and chips, and either get the shuttle back or paddle back. We paddled back. It's the same 8 kilometers each way, so it's a 16-kilometer paddle, hence the gloves. And I've only included the first half on the video. It's like pulling teeth watching the same thing twice. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. Hello. Nice. Almost there. Yeah. Oh, this one's big.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world so small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me, we're meant to be. Great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go, take a step back to see the truth.